अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिहिल अमीन अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़बिअय्यि आलाइ रब्बिकुमा तुकज़्ज़िबान सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। कहते हैं जिसे दुनिया में जन्नत का नजारा, कहते हैं जिसे दुनिया में जन्नत का नजारा, सय्याद के पंजों में कश्मीर हमारा। Dear teachers, respectable audience and my sympathetic friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I want to say you some words of my Kashmir. Kashmir cause, its so far cause, its cause has been hanging in international courts since 1947. Government of Pakistan has never talked about it carefully. So many political persons are talking about Kashmir. They are not sincere with this issue. They want only politicking. Dear fellows, so many times Jamaat-e-Islami and other NGOs talking about Kashmir. But problem is that they have no power in government. Dear fellows, it's that toward political dialogue is no solution of Kashmir. It's not solution of Kashmir. Kashmir is our main menu. Main Qaeda-Azam state, Gyarat, he said personal Dr. Ilahi Baksh. Military and political condition. Kashmir is our main menu of Pakistan. Don't pay ammunition country, they their street main menu before their enemy sword. Kashmir is a piece of Pakistan. This piece cannot be separated from Pakistan. Maulana Sayyid Abul Alam Maududi said, Pakistan is like a mosque and Kashmir is its courtyard. We should think about it that if more courtyard had grabbed, then how we can offer prayer? We hope Kashmir will be Pakistan and Hindustan will be destroyed. I will be finished my speech this poetry. याराने वफा कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, याराने वफा कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, जन्नत ना किसी काफिर को मिली है ना मिलेगी। थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग माय स्पीच। जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर।